Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of August for all the Cancer Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and right now Sun is moving in your first house in the sign of Cancer. Second house deal with your family lineage, all the matters related to your family, your savings, your money matters, your bank account is seen from second house. All the savings you have is seen from second house. In how much saving do you have in any form is seen from second house. Your speech is seen from second house. Your food intake habits are seen from second house. Your mouth region is also seen from second house. So right now your second house lord is moving in your first house. First house means your ascendant is the most important house in all the charts. So we can expect in the month of August your major focus will be your health, your personality, and all the matters related to you. And Sun will stay in your first house till 17th of August. After 17th of August, Sun will move to your second house, and second house in its own sign means in the sign of Leo. Then we can expect you may have some good result regarding your family related matters, related to money matters, and you will increase your saving in the month of August, and you will have the opportunity to save money in the month of August because second house lord will be in your second house. Also there are many planets are present in your second house, so we can expect in the month of August your major focus till 17th of August will be your first house, means you, your personality, and your health. After 17th of August your major focus will be your second house related matters, means your family, your savings. And many planets are moving in your second house, and Venus and Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion, means Venus is right now is in retrograde motion and Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in the month of August in your second house. So we can expect you will have to deal a lot related to your family related matters, your money matters, your savings, your bank related matters, and your food intake habit. You may go to restaurants a lot in the month of August, especially after 17th of August, because second house also deals with your food intake habits. So in the month of August, especially after 17th of August, you will enjoy a lot of food, a lot of good food in the month of August because your second house lord and many planets are present in your second house. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of August. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 12th house and your third house, and right now Mercury is moving in your second house in the sign of Leo. Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your second house on 24th August 2023. Second house, as we discussed previously, second house deals with your family, family lineage, your saving, your food intake habit, and your speech. 12th, Mercury controls your 12th house. 12th house deals with your losses, your expenses, your spirituality related matter, your isolation related matter, means your foreign settlements, and all the matters related to your privacy seen from 12th house. Your bedroom is also seen from 12th house. Third house deals with your communication, your younger siblings, your neighbors, your cousins, all the effort you will put in your life, and mainly your communication skills is seen from third house. So right now your third house and 12th house lord is moving in your second house. So we can expect in the month of August, one of your family member may go to, especially after 24th of August, will go to on some trip in the month of August because third house deals with short distance travel, and 12th house is also involved, and both the houses connected with travel and moving in your house of family, and about to turn into its retrograde motion in your motion on 24th August 2023. Also, you need to be very careful regarding your communication with your younger siblings, your neighbors, your cousins, because Mercury controls your communication, and third house also represent communication, and right now moving 12 places away from itself. If we count from third house 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Second house will be the 12th house of the third house. Third house lord is right now present 12 places away from itself. So we can expect you may have to face some difficulty, problems, argument with your younger siblings, your cousins, your neighbors. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of August for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Venus controls your 11th house and your 4th house, and right now Venus is moving in your second house in the sign of Leo. As we discussed previously, in the month of July, Venus is right now moving in its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Fourth house deals with home, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort in life. How much peace do you have in your life? How much comfort do you have in your life? Is seen from fourth house. Your mother's health, your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house. 11th house deals with your gains, your earnings, your profits in life, your accomplishments, your references is seen from 11th house. Your elder siblings is also seen from 11th house. Fulfillment of hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house lord and your 4th house lord is moving in your second house and moving in its retrograde motion. So as we discussed in some sections, you may have some gain of money after 17th of August when sun will move to your second house, because lord of gain and lord of property is moving in your second house, in the house of saving. Also, Ketu is moving in your fourth house from last year, March 2022. Ketu create disturbance in the house in which Ketu is moving in transit. So we can expect you were facing many difficulties regarding your mother's health, your property related matters, and peace in your life, also your emotions. But right now, Venus is moving in its retrograde motion in the house of saving. So we can expect you will have some gain related to money in the month of August, especially after 17th of August in regards to your earning or property matters. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of August for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Moon is your Ascendant Lord. Means Moon is very important planet for you people, and right now Moon is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Pisces. Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house in monthly prediction video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in everyday life in your chart. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have problem, issues and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these houses. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem, difficulties in our life. Especially problem will come from the house significance in which the Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. But Moon is your ascendant lord, means very important planet for you people, and right now Moon is moving in your 9th house. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of August. So on 6th of August, Moon is moving in your 9th house. So we can expect in the month of August around 6th, 7th and 8th of August, you may have some good result regarding your personality, your health, and you may hear some good news, because your ascendant lord is 9th house, and 9th house deal with luck, 9th house deal with religion, 9th house deal with elders, 9th house deal with your teachers, your mentors, your father's education. So we can expect good result regarding all the Cancer Ascendant people on these dates which we have just discussed. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 2nd house in the sign of Leo. 10th house deal with your work environment, nature of your work, how much authority do you have in your work, how much success you can achieve in your life, how much authority you will have, how much power you will have in your life. Your work colleague is also seen from 10th house. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your early education, means till graduation education is seen from 5th house. Your love relationship, your fiance, your girlfriend, boyfriend, all of these things is seen from 5th house. Right now your 5th house and 10th house lord is moving in your 2nd house. 2nd house deal with money matters, saving, speech, food intake, habit and family matters. So we can expect you may have some gains related to your workplace, or you may have some promotion and positive result regarding your work related matter, because your 5th house lord and your 10th house lord is moving in your 2nd house, and 2nd house lord will join in 2nd house on 17th August 2023. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matters and your children's related matters in the month of August. But you need to be very careful regarding your communication related matters when you are dealing with your children's and love relationship, because your 5th house lord is moving in your 2nd house, and Mercury, which generally controls communication, is about to turn into its retrograde motion. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer Ascendant people from all the planets in the month of August. We will have 3 major astrological events in the month of August. First of all, Sun will move from your 1st house to your 2nd house on 17th August 2023 in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars will move from your 2nd house to your 3rd house on 19th August 2023 in the sign of Virgo. third major astrological event is that Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your second house on 24th August 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for your ascendant for the whole year of 2023, then you can check my yearly prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of August 2023 for all the Cancer Ascendant people ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.